NGO basically means non-governmental organization, but they are all in all over the different countries. They are all non-profits. So what how you set up an NGO, you register as a non-profit, and then you start raising corpus, start raising money for the corpus, so that the funds are give you certain interest, and then you can use them for your work. In our case, because we are now quite a well-known NGO and little older NGO, because of our work, we get very good funding from sponsored projects from the Government of India and other agencies. The same thing is applicable in the United States. You can set up a non-profit and then you start raising funds for that. We have also set up NARI North America. So we are registered as 501c charity in the United States. So we can raise money in the United States also to fund our activity in India. So these are the type of India and Brazil are one of the two major countries which have the largest number of NGOs in the world. And China is now coming very rapidly. And what is happening now is a big multilateral financing agencies like World Bank and IMF, they are now channeling funds, not to the government but through these NGOs, because they think that you can have a really impact at the ground level if some money is given to them. And that's what NCIA is also doing. They are channeling money to the NGOs.